Hello and welcome everyone to the 2015 annual draft pick selection ceremony. As you know, the method by which we select this year's draft selection order was chosen by the league, well, by the 6 of you that voted, which is actually higher than the percentage of eligible voters that voted in the 2012 presidential election, so yay for apathy. You also know that because you religiously read my constant nagging and certainly not annoying emails, that this year's draft selection order will be chosen by the drawing of cards. Each of you has been pre-assigned a card value which was sent by email to the league. But I'm going to quickly review those card assignments with you now. I know that it might be difficult for those watching to remember what each person's card assignment was, so I added a little something to each card so we can easily identify which card represents which person. So first, we have the ace. The ace is Adrian. That is Adrian. We got to bring those glasses back in style, plus the lasers in the back. 2 is Brian. Not gonna lie, that's pretty badass, Brian. 3, David Greenberg doing his best drunk guy impersonation. 4, John Wendt doing his best troll impersonation. 5 was John Wells. There's really no comment needed on that one. 6 is Farron. This is kind of a double because I'm in there too with the Barney shirt, but those shorts, that t-shirt, those glasses, so 80s. 7 is me. 8 is Nick Colby. I always wanted to pull off the Quailman Halloween costume, but couldn't quite figure out how to get the belt to stay up. So props on that one. And yes, that is a beer can in his underwear. 9 is Jared. Thanks to his wife for that picture. And 10 is Casey. Now you notice we got an 11th card down here. Now this card is something I added after the fact. It is the Joker, the Haley Joel Osment card, because it's a twist. Now what happens with the Joker card is, as I'm drawing the cards, let's say I go and I pick Casey's card first. Casey will have the 10th pick. Then I draw Jared's card. He'll have the 9th pick. Then I draw Nick. He'll have the 8th pick. Then I draw me. I'll have the 7th pick. But then I draw the Joker. Whenever the Joker is drawn, it reverses the order of everybody who was drawn before them. So, I would move to 10, Casey would move to 7, and then these two would switch. So the order gets reversed. Now this could happen at the very beginning and have very little to no effect. It could happen all the way up here and reverse and really change the game. But once we get down to the last 2 cards, the last 2 draft positions, the Joker will be taken out, because that would be really mean at that point to reverse them. So the Joker won't be in play if it hasn't been drawn for the 1 and 2 picks. So, with that, I think we're ready to start the draft. I'm going to take each card, and then we're going to shuffle them all up really well. I'm going to put the camera down a little bit, sorry, but it's going to be hard to shuffle without it. And you can see, shuffling. I have no idea which card is where at this point. They're all mixed up. I'm going to put them on the table, and we're going to mix them up even more. Oh. And then we're going to just start drawing. Alright. For this year's draft, the 10th pick goes to Farron. Farron at number 10. Now remember, that Joker could come up at any point and completely change things. Number 9, the 9th pick in the draft goes to John Wells. Mix them up some more. The 8th pick in the draft goes to The Joker. Well, I was kind of hoping it would go later than that, but that's okay. So these two switch. So now John has the 10th pick. Farron has the 9th pick. And you can rest assured that the Joker's gone now, so from here on out, whatever you get is your number. So, with the 8th pick, we have David Greenberg. The 7th pick is me. The 6th pick goes to John Wendt. Mix them up some more. The 5th pick of the draft goes to Adrian. Okay. The 4th pick goes to J-Rod. Jared picks 4th. 3 left. For the 3rd pick goes to Casey. So that leaves Brian and Nick Colby for the 1st and 2nd pick. There's 2 cards left. I have no idea who is what. We're going to let someone else come pick this one. Now, whatever card gets picked, we've been going in chronological order, but this time whatever card gets picked gets the number 1 pick. The person whose card is not picked will pick number 2. And we have a special picker. Hey.
Silas.
Hey. Are you going to pick the card? All right, buddy. Which one is it going to be? There it is. Here's the winner. Let's see. The number 1 overall pick this year goes to Brian, which means Nick Colby will pick 2nd. Good job, buddy. Oh, okay.
No.
He's gonna. Well, this is what happens. It's cute, and now he's mad. I was gonna review them with you, but it's all on video. You've got your numbers. All right. Good luck, everybody. Remember, the draft is September 4th, and at 8:30, and we will see you there. Say bye, Silas. Say bye.
Oh, I think he's in love with Adrian.
I think he is. He likes Adrian.